So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you how to read a crypto chart for beginners on Newton. All right, so you go into the main dashboard, you can see here, and then just click on all coins. And then you can pick which coin you want to read their chart. So we have Bitcoin here. Let's click on Bitcoin. All right, so this is the chart for Bitcoin. This is a line chart. Let's look at the board over here. So the board on top here says here's low. So it's the lowest price that Bitcoin was from last year. So today's April 3rd. So April 3rd, 2020, this is the lowest price. And the highest within the past 365 days is 75,000. Then we have, if you look here, we have the current price, which is 73,000. And then you have a couple of other important points. Number one, we have coin supply, which means how many coins are currently on the market that can be purchased. So it's 18.7 million. And then the most important one is market cap. So what is market cap? Market cap pretty much means the total amount of money invested that's like in Bitcoin. So currently the entire market cap that could be in Bitcoin would be $1.4 trillion. If you're wondering what does that mean, this is a good indication when you're trying to buy any coin, because the only way the price will double from 73,000 is if the market cap doubles. So they're in a relation. So if the market cap reaches 2.8 trillion, then Bitcoin will go up to 100 and almost 150,000, almost, right? So make sure to look at that. All right, so market cap is very important. But when it comes to line graph, you can see here, you can see the line graph, and it just shows you the price based on the date. November 18th, 23,000. February 3rd, 47,400. All right, so it just shows you how the price has risen up and down. If you use your mouse wheel and you scroll on the mouse wheel up, it zooms in. And then you can see closer dates. You can see how it was going up and down on certain dates. And as you can see, right now it's just going up, up, and up. This is called a bull run. You can also see how the price is going up and down within the past minute. So these are called candles, candlesticks. I'm going to do a video about that in the next video. I'm going to explain to you guys what candlesticks are. And pretty much they're like candles, and green indicates the price going up, and red indicates that the price was going down during that time period. You can see here in 1504 it went down, and then 1505 went back up again. It went back up for 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, and then it went back down again. 2 minutes later, 2 minutes later, it went back up again and then down. So that's called a candlestick, and it can show that for different periods between 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and day. So this is a good indicator. I'm going to do a video about that in the future. And what's good is just, you know, when you're trying to trade all of these currencies, it's good to look at the different coins. So right now we were looking at Bitcoin. This is the second largest coin. This is called Ethereum, and as you can see, the lines are just going up, up, down, down, but overall it's going up. And then you can see here's Tether that we talked about in a previous video, and these are stable coins. So this is equivalent to the US dollar. So these ones don't really change a lot. They try to maintain value. This is a good place if you just want to put your transfer your coin to a different coin and make sure that the price doesn't go up and down too rapidly. You can always exchange your coins into a stable coin. I recommend Tether USDT. So it's a US dollar based coin. And let's look at one more of these. So we got Bitcoin. Let's look at Ripple. So as you can see, Ripple, it has, these are more of light coins. So these are coins that are alternative to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And these are lower price. And these ones tend to go up and down a lot more and have, you know, a much lower, well, it's not really low. It's 75 billion, but it's a much lower market cap than Bitcoin. So there's a bigger chance for the price to double or to go up faster, and also at the same time bigger risk in it going down. All right, guys, so that's the video. That's how to check out charts on Newton, check out my next video. It's going to be on candlesticks. And if you don't have a Newton account, please click on the link below, and we each get a $25 credit. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.